What's up everyone, welcome back to Help Email Tales. Are you getting an IMAP POP login fail error while trying to set up your email in Outlook? This error is a clear sign that something's off with your server settings. And unfortunately, Outlook won't let you proceed until everything's configured correctly. In this video, I'll guide you through the correct IMAP and POP server settings for popular email providers and show you exactly how to configure them in Outlook to fix that login failure. And if you're still having some trouble, our experts are ready to assist you. Just give us a call at the numbers on the screen. Now, let's get those server settings right. Begin by opening Control Panel on your device. Now, on your Control Panel window, click on the Programs option. Next, what you need to click is on the Program and Features option. On the Open page, look for Microsoft 365 option and click on it. After that, go ahead and click on the Change tab on the top. When the prompt appears on the screen, then choose the Quick Reports radio button. Next, what you need to do is click on the Repair button. Now, open your Outlook and see if you're still facing the same problem. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.